In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio comments in Adobe Acrobat. This is a fantastic way to provide feedback or add personal notes to a PDF file, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step to make it as straightforward as possible. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once you have your file open, head over to the top of the application window and find the All Tools tab. Clicking on this tab will display a range of different tools that Acrobat has to offer. Now you'll want to scroll down until you spot the Add Comments section. Go ahead and click on Add Comments to bring up the commenting tools. Alternatively, you might see an Open button associated with it. Clicking that will work just as well. With the commenting tools up, you'll notice the toolbar changes to exhibit an array of annotation options. Your focus, however, should be on finding the icon that signifies audio comments. This is typically a small speaker icon with a plus sign or something similar depending on your version of Acrobat. If your screen is a bit crowded, it may be grouped under a menu, and you might need to click more within the comment panel to unveil it. Once you've located the record audio tool, click on it to proceed. Now you're ready to start recording your comment. A dialog box will appear prompting you to initiate the recording by clicking the record button, which is often represented as a red circle. This is your cue to speak directly into your device's microphone, sharing your feedback or notes as you go along. There's a handy feature here that may allow you to pause and resume your recording if needed, so feel free to use it to gather your thoughts. Once you're satisfied with your comment, go ahead and hit the stop button, typically a square, to finish recording your message. After you've stopped recording, it's time to place the audio comment icon on the PDF page. You will be prompted to click on the specific location where you'd like this speaker symbol to appear. Choose a spot that makes sense so anyone viewing the document can easily find and listen to your comment. Finally, let's save and take a moment to test the functionality. Clicking OK will set your audio comment icon in place. Now, anyone who opens this PDF can simply double-click that speaker icon to listen to your recorded voice comment. It's a useful feature that enhances the way we communicate and annotate documents digitally. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. If you don't immediately spot the record audio tool, it could be nested under the Add Comment feature, usually represented by a speech bubble icon. Be sure to explore these grouping options if needed. And there you have it, a simple yet effective method to add audio comments